Hey, this is Jack with ReciPal, and today I'm going to show you a new feature where we're incorporating AI to help you more quickly create custom ingredients within our database. So the way it works is you go to create a custom ingredient. You could either do that through the recipe dashboard by clicking on new ingredient, or if you're already in a recipe, you can simply click create new ingredient once you realize there's something you need to add. Once you're there, the first thing it's going to ask now is to upload a spec sheet or a picture of a label. Once you do that, you're going to be given the option to use that picture to fill in all the data fields. And what happens here is it may take up to 30 seconds, but we use AI to analyze the photo that you've uploaded and fill in all of those data fields. Once that's done, the next step with anything with AI is just to review all of the data that was input, make sure it's accurate. That's it. Once everything's inputted and you've checked it, just hit create ingredient, and then you can use it in your recipe.